Okay, so hi, so we're creating a Google site. So the first thing I do if I want to create a Google site is look for Google Sites and log in. So if you're logged in like I am already, this window automatically appears. Now you can see previous sites that I have created down here, several versions of tourism in Galway and so on. So you can use a template gallery if you want to, and here's a few example templates, but we're starting off with a blank site. Now, it's all down to the planning when you're building websites. So before I went to this part of my building my website, I went on to Google Drive and I created a folder with all of the files that I need for my Google sites. So you can see here, the Tourism in Galway site has loads of different pictures. So I've shared the site with you so you can use this while you're building if you want to. Just a few different pictures of Galway and a bit of information. I've got a few Google documents up there that I created on new Google Docs. So everything that I want in the site is in here. So now I'm ready to build the site. So I'm clicking on blank site and I'm given a blank canvas with a default theme. So it's a bit like when you open up Word, you have defaults on it. And the theme that I've been given is simple theme, where I can choose a different background color. I can choose a heavy font, a classic font, or a light font. So I'm going to go for heavy. And if I didn't like the background color, I could come in here and choose different colors. And you will see as you're putting on different colors on the page, the number of the color, the hashtag number is appearing underneath. So you could always write that down to go back and pick it up at another time. So I'm just literally going to go for the maroon and white for now. And I might change my mind as I go along. So I'm going to click into the page title and type in tourism in Galway. And you can see here that you can change the formatting, and this is it. I can choose title. I can have it, well, is that bold already? I can embolden it, but I need to highlight the text like I would in a Word document, and so on. But I think I'll just leave it like that. And there's my header for my website. Now, it's an untitled site, so I'm also going to type in here tourism in Galway and put in my name beside it. Okay, so I've got to be careful on my decisions here, because if I want to add more pages to this, when I add pages here in my page option and the plus sign, once I add a new page, it picks up the format of my home page. So be very sure about the theme that you're going to build before you go on and create your other pages. Just the same as you're doing in web design. It's all down to what you have in your home page. Now, the other thing I can do here is I can have different banners. So I can have a cover banner, large, the banner, or the title only. Okay, so I'm going to go back to banner, because the other thing I can do here is I can change the image. So if I don't want the banner, what I can do is I can select an image out of my Google Drive, or I could have uploaded an image, but I think I'll probably find something that I want to use here on my Google Drive in this folder that we've shared with each other. So I'm going to go to tourism in Galway, and there's some nice pictures in there. So I'm going to pick one of these pictures for Galway. And I might actually pick, oh, it's the one that I wanted isn't there now. I might actually pick this one. That'll be fine. So I'm going to click on that, select it, and that's what I have. So that doesn't look good. So I'm going to come in here and change the image again, select a different image. So let me see what I've got in my albums. Not a whole lot really. Back here to the drive, come in here to pictures in Galway, my internet skills folder, and let me see what else I could choose for there. So I might actually choose this picture of the diving board in Salt Hill. It's quite an iconic picture, and insert that instead. and you will see it coming in here.